Hello everyone, it's Valerie from Stampin' with Valerie, and today I just want to do a quick little tutorial using a Stampin' Up stamp set. This one is called Notes of Nature. It's a brand new one. But I wanted to show you how to adhere your stickers to these stamps. Now the first thing I did, I started taking all of these out. They all come in this little, thing here. You just pop them all out. And then there's that white backing on the back. I like to save this piece, just take that white backing off and stick it in my stamp set. So when I get my stamps ready, I can just put them right back in here. Now, inside the case, they have a little tutorial here, but I'm just gonna give you a quick tutorial video so you can just do this at home. I just peel all of those labels off first. And of course, there goes my stomach growling. You may have heard that. I don't know. Hopefully not. But it was pretty loud for me anyway. Get all the backs taken off. And if you need to, you can use your Take Your Pick tool or some other paper piercing tool to get them off. Sometimes it's a little easier to use that. Now, when Stampin' Up! First came out with their cling stamps, this was a big deal because they were old stickers that we put on the back of the red rubber stamps at the time didn't work as well, or they worked at first, but then they didn't stick very good. But now these cling ones that they came out with a couple of years ago are fantastic. So just so you know, they're a good one. Now, I don't know if there are any other stamps that you buy that you have to put together like this. So that's why I figured this might be a good tutorial. So as you can see, we've got our little stickers here, and they just, each one of them has two pieces that you peel off from that backing paper. And then go ahead and just set that down on a flat surface. And now some people do it this way and some people do it another way, by sticking it onto a block first, I think, but I'm going to do it this way. And just make sure you fit it in that outline. And then go ahead and peel it off, and you've got your sticker, and it will stick really good to a block like this now. And then I just stick them right back in the same little spot. But you don't have to keep this. That's just something I do when I get these stamps, but it's not something you have to do. Now, I've seen other people also peel 1/2 at a time, then line up half of it, and then peel the other half and line it up. But for me, that's just not as quick. And so I just like to peel both pieces at once and stick them down. I love that little crosshatch. Isn't that great? I can't wait to make a video using this stamp set for you all because I love it. I think it's perfect for cards and journaling. Let's find this one. This one says to say hello. I just got to make sure I've got it the right way. You don't want to end up getting your stamp upside down, but it says just a little note to say hello. And then again, just go through all of the stamps in your stamp set and do all of them. Get them in that case, and then they are ready to use. They will stick beautifully to your blocks. Let's just use this one. And once they're on there, they're stuck pretty good. And after you use them for a while, they can, if you leave them on there, they can get stuck, and so you'll have to use something to peel them off because they're very sticky. So I hope this helps you if you buy any of these stamps from Stampin' Up, or you've got some at home that you need to put labels on. And they will say, I'm gonna say, it'll say at the top here if it's a cling stamp set. If it doesn't say cling, but it has stickers, those are probably the older ones, and you might not want to put those stickers on. But if it does say cling, you want to put those stickers on because they work fantastic. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.